and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you.
Welcome to Taste Buds, and today we are making a bowl full of medicine. Yes, the little boy came home from school and he had the cold and the sniffles, and so a bowl of chicken soup is best. And this chicken soup is nice and herbaceous. It's got leeks and a whole bunch of other stuff in it. We start with about 2.5 pounds of chicken, and we wash it and make sure we leave it the skin on, because I hear the skin has enzymes. Yes, that's what I heard. Then we break about 6 cloves of garlic, crush them and fine chop them, and we're gonna add that to our chicken as part of our marinating process. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some Lawry's seasoning. and I'm adding in the turnip because the turnip is mainly to help the soup base. All right, so now you want to add these things in and you want to mix well. Remember, don't allow the pot to burn. Keep adding water little by little. Now the wifey decided that she wanted to add some dumpling. As a matter of fact, I'm the one who said to her, please put dumpling in there. May I beg you, put dumpling in there. And so what we have here is just a little bit of flour and a little bit of cornmeal and water kneaded into a dough, and now we're adding in the dumplings to the soup. And if you want to see how the wifey makes her dumpling, take a look now. So Jamaican make dumpling. Nice. And as a matter of fact, we didn't add any extra salt to the dough, so this dumpling will be just incorporated into the rest of the soup. I can't wait. As you can see, we officially added water now, and so the soup is ready to start bubbling. Pata bubble, pata bubble, pata bubble, and we nah look no trouble, and pata bubble and pata bubble and pata bubble, and we hey. The next thing you want to do is you want to start cutting up your herbs. Now all these herbs will be added at the end of the cooking process. I have some cilantro, I have parsley, and I have some culantro, or what is called shadow benny. And I'm gonna chop these into very fine, bits, and I'm gonna put this down and wait on the soup to finish cooking before adding in all of this. This is what makes it herbaceous. Yes. And as you can see, I still have my spinach and my radishes that have not yet added. And so yeah, we're just making sure we chop and put and prepare. And you know what, I'm getting excited because the soup, remember I said Joshua sick, I just want the soup for myself. Yes, look how the soup look good. Look how it a bubble. Rich. Look there. No sir, soup look nice, guys, and smells so good. And I'm gonna add my rosemary at this time, and as you can see, I'm just adding in the rosemary in this with the stalk, just as though you would like use thyme. Yes, you can add the rosemary. Now I'm adding in my celery, spinach, my okra, and my radishes. Yes, spinach, not celery. Oh yes, soup looks so good. May I tell you, my head hurt me right now. Look the man. Now you just want this to continue cooking until your okra has been cooked and is soft and nice. All right, and remember, okra can be eaten raw, but you want the okra to be soft and you want to incorporate it. And the next thing I have to add is a piece of Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, and I keep my peppers in the fridge, in the freezer. So yeah, I'm just adding some Scotch bonnet pepper, and once you start to smell the pepper, soup ready. Remember me tell you. So here you go, guys. My soup is reached to the point. Okra them cook and nice and everything. Soup ready, guys. See all the leaves off the rosemary stem gone into the soup. The pepper almost burst. I may have to look for the pepper, you know, because you don't want the pepper burst. Unless you can take the spice, you don't want the pepper burst. But soup ready, guys. I tell you, the house smells so good. Now the wifey says put some chicken noodle soup in there, and so I have to add some chicken noodle soup. Yeah, the wifey wanted chicken noodle soup in there. As a matter of fact, it works well because remember, guys, there is no additional salt in the soup at all. So the chicken noodle soup base will provide enough salt, adequate salt, to make the meal what it's supposed to be. Yes, so we're just gonna incorporate that and allow the noodles them to, get softened. Soup ready. Yes, soup ready. Look the man. Oh lordy. Where the pepper gone? At this stage, I'm gonna remove the pepper because I see like the pepper actually burst. So I'm gonna remove the pepper, and then finally I'm gonna add all my herbs, yes, to the pot. Stir it around. Soup is being turned off, and we're ready to plate this awesome herb soup. Yes, lock off the stove cause soup ready. Guys, who want a cup of this? Who want a bowl? Who want a bowl of soup? Tell the truth. So there you have it, folks. Beautiful, herbaceous, very delicious chicken and leek herbed soup. I'm sure you guys love it, and I'm sure you guys will not stop watching this video. As a matter of fact, like, share, subscribe, comment, tell your friends about Yardie Belly TV, about Taste Buds, and remember my slogans: live and laugh, cook and eat. And whenever you look around in your kitchen and need something, just turn your hand and make fashion. That's the way we do it here in Yardie Belly's kitchen. Look out for another episode of Taste Buds coming your way pretty soon.